Starting around 24 walk 2024 Dogecoin by and large is exchanging at $1.7 and a 23 in term of its worst rate with a value change of zone 4% in especially most recent 1 hour amazingly. Doge in every practical sense has an especially all-out market cap of $24,735,267 to the 34 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,855,743,570 in an unobtrusive manner. This makes Dogecoin Doge lovely positioning at 8 in the cryptographic money market in a truly significant manner. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what essentially is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2024, what will Dogecoin certainly be worth in 2024 in a kind of enormous manner? Is Dogecoin a for the most part wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2024 in an in every way that really matters huge way? Will Doge cost, all things considered, outperform its record-breaking high, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking? These in a real sense are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, which especially is very critical. Dogecoin. Doge value expectation 2024 as per the Dogecoin conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Doge cost especially is supposed to in every way that really matters cross a very normal value level of dollars on 2022. The normal truly least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to in every practical sense be $46, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Besides Doge can arrive at a greatest value level of $374, or so they in a real sense thought. Doge value conjecture walk 2024. With respect to walk 2024, Dogecoin especially is supposed to in every practical sense arrive at an especially least value worth of $459, which especially is very critical. The Doge cost could truly arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $1.641 with a sort of typical cost around $5.95, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value expectation April 2024. Dogecoin cost generally is supposed to by and large reach between $0.185 or 98 to $0.721 in April 2024, while the for the most part normal cost of Doge for the April truly remains around $0.659 Dogecoin Doge value expectation May 2024. The cost for Dogecoin in May 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $1.1649 and $1.8804, which for the most part is genuinely critical, while the really normal exchanging cost ought to be around $1.725, or so they essentially thought. Dogecoin value estimate June 2024. In June 2024, the genuinely greatest cost for Dogecoin could stretch around $1.88 to 90. Besides, the minimum cost of Doge in June 2024 especially is $0.719 with a sort of typical cost of $0.794 in a very huge manner. Dogecoin value conjecture July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Dogecoin by and large is supposed to be at around and especially least of $0.1805 for the most part further appearance how Dogecoin value figure June 2024. In June 2024, the really greatest cost for Dogecoin could stretch around $0.1890, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin cost can essentially arrive at an extremely limit of $9.62 with the especially normal cost of $4.28 and 66 in USD, exhibiting that this especially makes Dogecoin Doge fundamentally positioning at 8 in the digital money market, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin value forecast August 2024. The cost of Dogecoin sort of is, by and large, anticipated to truly reach at a very least worth of $0.2828 in August 2024, which truly shows that Dogecoin value expectation August 2024. The cost of Dogecoin for the most part is truly anticipated to by and large reach at a kind of least worth of $1.28 in August 2024. The Doge cost could essentially arrive at a most extreme worth of $20.36 with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $94 all through 2024 in a kind of significant manner. Dogecoin value estimate September 2024. The normal cost of Dogecoin Doge could for the most part go to $61 toward the finish of September 2024, or so they truly thought. Doge could be exchanging around a most extreme worth of $20.31 with a really least expected cost of $10.80 and 85, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin Doge value gauge October 2024. The Dogecoin Doge cost for October 2024 may truly arrive at an exceptionally least worth of $9.44, while the truly greatest Determined cost fundamentally is around $210, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. In every way that really matters, normal cost for Doge truly is explicitly anticipated to especially reach $19 in October 2024, all things considered, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value estimate November 2024. The really normal cost of Dogecoin Doge could generally go to $1.80 toward the finish of November 2024 in a very enormous manner. Doge could be exchanging around a genuinely most extreme worth of $22.91 with the especially least expected cost of $19, which especially is genuinely critical. Dogecoin Doge value expectation December 2024. Concerning December 2024, Dogecoin cost especially is gauged to generally arrive at a practically the most reduced cost of $2.46. So besides Doge can explicitly arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $1.3074 in a fundamentally enormous manner. The Doge cost could in a real sense arrive at an exceptionally greatest cost of $1.374 with the very normal expected cost around $2022, which explicitly demonstrates the way that the Doge cost could for the most part arrive at a greatest cost of $641 with the extremely normal cost around $595, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin exceptionally passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost for the most part has shown a decent increment of 448% in the especially most recent 24 hours. From truly most recent 7 days, the Doge truly was in fundamentally great vertical pattern and expanded by 1571%, which basically is very huge. Dogecoin truly has shown areas of strength for genuinely potential of late, and this could be generally excellent chance to for the most part dive right in and basically contribute. Dogecoin value estimate 2024 facts. What will be Dogecoin really worth in 2024, which generally is very huge. The Doge cost generally is gauged to generally arrive at an especially most extreme degree of $374 with kind of least cost of $46 toward the finish of 2024, which certainly is very critical. Does Dogecoin generally have a future, which truly is very critical? As far as value, Dogecoin fundamentally has a remarkable most certainly potential to truly arrive at new levels. So really is Dogecoin a wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2024, which essentially is genuinely critical. It for the most part is gauged that Doge will increment in esteem, showing how as far as value, Dogecoin sort of has an exceptional by and large potential to for the most part arrive at new levels. So sort of is Dogecoin a very wise speculation or certainly worth purchasing in 2024 in every practical sense enormous way. As per quite certain specialists and business experts, Dogecoin can in every practical sense hit the essentially the most exorbitant cost of $298 till 2030. So in a real sense is Dogecoin a by and large wise venture or certainly worth purchasing in 2024.